pilot first. Don't want to be pilot. You want to be pilot.
Hello, my friends. I am Hono Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order would never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And of course, after all, even split serve the big 25.
We want to be a pilot.
You want to be pilot?
I want to be a pilot.
I'll be a gunner.
Okay, you can be a gunner. I'll be a pilot.
Ready for it? Your mask is upside down.
Is it? Nice, like one part, you know, got it. I wish we could do whatchamacallit again.
Oh, I know. That was awesome. That was so fun. Rise of the Resistance was excellent.
I can't believe we only got to go on one. I'm like, I'm gonna get in this second queue, and then it's like, nope, you had your turn.
Yeah.
Two engineers?
We were engineers last time. Can we get a different part, please? I'll be a gunner. She wants to be a pilot, though.
I'll be willing to do gunner. It'll be different.
You're a pilot?
She wants
I do.
We'll be gunners. We'll shoot stuff, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Alright, head on way
Thanks,
forward,
bud.
friends.
The flying has
to be a pilot.
Head on way
So the flying has a delay. I was told.
Yeah, we were told the flying has a delay.
So whenever you go to turn, you turn ahead. Like before you have to like go because there's a delay on it.
I think the more you shoot, you get points on it.
Yeah.
We got like one container last time.
I think there's like 4 or 6 pods at the same time, and then it tells you everybody's score at the end.
We got like 87%, was it, or was it 82 or something?
Yeah, for that, and then our ship only was like 32%, like in one piece.
Yeah. I'll shoot stuff all day.
Pilots in front, gunners in the middle, engineers in the back. Welcome, how are we doing?
Great.
Good. Has everybody done this before?
Once earlier.
Okay, don't worry.
I did engineer last time.
That's okay. My friends up front, you're my pilots today, okay? So you're going to do left is right, red is brake, blue is boost. You're up and down, forward to go down, back to go up. Okay?
Oh, there
Right,
you go.
gunners,
Right.
shoot at anything that shoots at us. Defend the cargo. Engineers, fix whatever the pilots break. It's your responsibility.
Yeah, you have other buttons that light up too besides that one. You guys done it? You guys done it?
Just
she was hitting the one button. I'm like, here's the other button. Look, I think you hit those too.
Red is brake.
This is my first time being a gunner. I did an engineer last time. She wanted to be pilot.
The pilot's fun too. I've done all of them.
Okay, I didn't do pilot yet, but she wanted to do so. I never done it.
Containers can you get if you get back?
I don't know.
What's the maximum containers you can get? What's that? What's the maximum containers you can get? I believe it's 2. I've heard rumors of 3, but I have not seen anybody do it. Yeah, so second line to your left.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. Engineers,
Line up. See how many happy? Line up behind the train.
Safety.
Move on, my friends.
And supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Alright. So what we gotta do as gunners, we gotta line up our target.
Where do we put these things?
I put mine by my feet, that's what I did.
Alright, pilots, go ahead, pull those yellow straps for me. Perfect, my gunners. Awesome. Engineers,
Fair enough. Time is running.
Alright, flight crew, hit everything that flashes, and good luck.
You ready, boss?
You
Yeah.
ready?
We got this, dude.
We got this. Dream team.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was trustable. Pilot on the right.
Don't
Pull
throw
back on
ship
the
yet,
stick to
guys.
fly out.
Pull up.
Push forward to fly out.
You follow him.
Chewie makes flying this Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit
Buttons are
booster.
flashing. Gunner.
Now let's go get that coaxium.
Go.
Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Hey, pull it. There we go. Woo! You ready? Go ahead and go. Go ahead, pull up.
Train. Come. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. We need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers. Excellent. Now, gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Pilots free. Good work. That could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends.
Yeah.
Now power up the ship. Well, I
Power up.
grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised.
You lit up.
Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. That cargo is breaking. Keep shooting.
I'm in.
Yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, guys, we're getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Oh my goodness. It's coming down. Hit the boosters. Boost.
That's a boost shot!
Let's get out of here.
Go Haley, get the boost!
The hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Two is right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Pluto is the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh! That's going to be. Containers are coaxial. Greatly help the resistance. You heard the first order.
11,240, what'd you get? Yeah.
Now after my
How many did we get?
honest profit,
That was so good.
your
Alright.
cut minus.
How many we get, guys?
Yo, that's like the outfit.
Hey, not bad.
Up 28%.
Pirate.
What did we get? How many containers did we get?
I got 36% accuracy. That's a lot. I don't know how many canes we get.
Let's
Good
report.
job, y'all. We got
Engine
2.
failure. All right. Hyperdrive.
I think we did better
We
than
got,
last
yeah, we
time.
did a bit better last
We
time.
did so good.
Multiple
We got
holes.
2 though, right?
Yeah, we did better than last time I did it. Yeah, we got 2. Yeah.
Line support failure.
I
Okay,
have
that's up.
never not crashed into that. So when I did it,
All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Pirate, we got ranked pirate. Yeah. That was awesome, guys.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
We did so much better than last time.
Our ending was even a little bit different.
Huh?
Our ending was even a little bit different.
It was. I liked it. That was good shooting. That was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah.
Good job.
That was awesome. You guys, we got pirate. That was awesome. I got it way better than last time.
Yeah, we got scoundrel one time.
Yeah, last time we were real low last time. He's gotta get down the steps. Go down the steps.